Hope you guys are doing well. So in this video, I'm going to tell you that how you can download and play this game on your PC. So first of all, what you have to do for downloading this game, you have to download the emulator which is called BlueStack. You have to install that on your PC, and after installing that, you have to open that. For example, I'm going to search for that. So as you can see, I have already installed this. You have to download and install this one, and after installing this, you have to open this. So as you can see, I have opened this one, and it can take few seconds. It's loading. So as you can see, finally it's opened. Now what we need to do, we have to write the game name here. For example, as you can see, I have written the game name, whatever you call, or whatever you are calling. So for example, what we have to do, we have to click on this, and after clicking on this, as you can see, here's the option install an app player. We have to click on this option. I'm gonna make the screen bigger, so we have to click on this. So as you can see, it's loading. We have to wait for a few seconds until it loads. So as you can see, the game is here. Now it's open. So what we need to do, we have to click on this option and the install option, and it will take few seconds or few minutes in installation process. It's up to your internet speed. And after the completion of installation process, you just have to hit the play button and the game will be started. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can download and install this game on your PC. So see you guys in the next video.